Das! Ikaw daw ang first person in mind ng Regal when they thought of creating that cancer.
Talaga? I mean, actually, nasabi nga sa kanya ni Mr. Seth, and during that time kasi, nasa taping pa ako. So, iniisip ko kung paano. Pero, nung nalaman ko nga na talagang kinakonsider ako ng Regala at saka
Ay, Wazir! Pinag-isipan na pa nga eh, mabang tanggapin eh.
sabi ko, paano? Naghahati yung ano ko kasi nasa Puerto Galera ako. Paano? Uuwi ba ako o paano? So,
Okay, yung beach, yung offer.
okay, paano kaya? Eh, sobrang excited ko kasi nakakasama ko sila sa Shake, Rattle and Roll. Nagkukulitan kami doon kasi parang nakabuild kami ng kahit na paano small connection o samahan. Tapos parang ako din, kinonsider ko rin kasi itong dalawang to, sa totoo lang, totoong tao sila. So para sa akin, hindi ako mahihirapan makipagtrabaho. Kasi factor din yun eh. I mean, papasok ako sa gitna ng taping nila, so iniisip ko rin kung paano kaya, hindi pa kami nag-workshop eh. Diba? So iniisip ko, hindi, game na. Kasi sigurado naman ako maayos.
Sa sarili mo game na, pero pinag-intay mo lang kami ng ilang weeks.
Kasi nasa lock-in ako eh. So medyo mahirap yung schedule. Ayun, tapos, ayun nga, si Direk Dan, Julianas, Pinigit Direk. So, talagang na-excite ako at some point.
Thank you. At before I ask pagbibigyan mic sa press, puro ako na lang ng ako, ha? Okay, I'd like to hear that from our creative head ng Regal. James, finally, ito na. Natapos na finally ang almost as showing na tayo sa May 6. Your thoughts as the head of creative ng Regal?
Thank you. Sobrang kami excited kasi EJ, I won't deny, parang this is the perfect casting combination talaga na nagkaroon kami. From Sam to JM Salvado. Sobrang tongko. Nandun ka, di ba, nung storyboard natin, di ba? Parang tawa tayo ng tawa sa light moments nung Alexa. Ang galing din, for example, ni JM sa Kalifyang na mag-adlib. Hindi ito na kwento ni Direk Dan, pero ang daming ideas sa mga scenes na gagaling kay Fiang and JM. May mga gusto ilagdag si Fiang, minsan sinasabi ko, wag Fiang. Delikado, pero actually, ang galing nila mag-isip ng on-the-spot na idadagdag sa scene. And tuwa rin ako nung sinunod namin nila Dustin sa Kalifyang yung opening scene. Panoorin niyo guys yung opening scene, sobrang ang galing-galing nung pagkakagawa ng para kayo nanood ng isang Korean film or American film. Kaya sana a lot of people will watch it on OPA.
Of course. Thanks, James. Kasi alongside his team and the creative team ng Project It Projects, talagang grabe yung solid force ng creative para mabuo every single detail po ng character, ng scene, talaga namang pinag-isipan ng gusto ng creative team ng Regal and unbelievable team up na yan nangyari niyan. Sana maulit. And of course, even Sir Gil was so hands-on. Parang, oh my God, grabe yung Miss Rosel as well. Sabi ko, Miss Rosel, finally, we're showing. Any word as one of our producers?
Well, after watching the movie,
Ayun.
kasi few times, bilang isang beses, there's particularly so many scenes that hits me emotionally at okay, mapapatawa ka. It's something that it's very good, a lot of things that are very heartwarming, a lot of moments na, reminds me of Maricel Soriano.
No way.
Yes, I mean, I'm not kidding because, I grew up with Maricel Soriano. Parang tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa batang ito nung pinapanood ko kasi parang bawat galaw niya natatawa talaga ako. And of course, si JM.
Kanino? Pwede ba kami reference
Ayaw ko
ka?
ha?
May reference ka ba?
Actually, kasi parang it's so natural.
Kung Maricel si Piang, sino naman si JM? Talaga in the spot kita
But
ni
si JM is really unique. I don't know him as a young star before, pero si JM really has the eyes na talagang, the way the way he does his acting and how, as a best friend, he has a secret admiration sa best friend niya. Mararamdaman mo talaga. Yun talaga. I mean, it's so natural. Parang they're not really acting. Nakaka-carry away ako sa mga eksena. Especially one scene, more towards the third act, na napaiyak pa ako. Seriously, napaiyak mo. So, I hope that you guys, when you watch it, talagang matutuwa.
May 5 tayo sa Mega Mall.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Seth. Thank you, James. At this point, react lang muna si JM Piang sa sinabi niya. Ay, naiiyak ka. Then yung ma-results for them. Comment sa sinabi ni producer natin, Piang.
Nakaka-pressure naman po yun. Speechless.
Sobra. Ako nagulat ako sa revelation. Ganun, may level ganyan.
Maraming salamat po, pero... Nagaya ko eh.
Uy, hindi ganyan si Piang. Na-speechless talaga kasi usually may sagot agad yan eh. Pero ngayon, hindi niya alam what to say. Kasi ako nagulat din ba, Mr. Self-Deliver. Nakakatuwa. Nakaka-pressure. Yung relatability siguro talaga ng pelikula, ang lakas. And of course, yung may mata raw, tayo walang mata. Si JM may mata daw kasi. JM, may mata ka daw. So, ibig sabihin, importante ang mata sa isang aktor. Any word, any comment?
Thank you, ma'am. Hindi ko rin alam ano sasabihin ko. Thank you po. Siguro, thankful po kami sa Regal sobra. Kasi bukod sa sila yung nagbigay ng first step namin sa SRR. And yung dream din namin na magkaroon kami ng solo film, sila din po yung tumupay. So sobrang nararamdaman namin para sa Regal. Sobra na kung gaano po ka-grateful na meron kami sila. So sana po proud kayo sa pelikula natin.
Sir Guy, you have seen the rushes, the edits. Would you like to say the same sa sinabi ni Mr. Sir JB about the finished product?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on. Medyo.
Yeah, the finished product was good. I mean, there's a lot of laughter. Pero may konting gugat pa rin. I guess my mom medyo biyak siya. And then also, I got to preview some of the rushes to, I can't name them, pero some industry people, some of them very senior, matagal-tagal sa industry, and so many of them actually really did compare Piang and his sister. So like, not just my mom, but a lot of praises for
You had it previewed by different ages, parang ganun.
Yeah. I can't name who, baka mahuli sila, pero yeah.
Awag na lang.
And of course, JM did good. Pero even like the other cast members, like Yuli, Sam, JM, the whole time I was like laughing at their jokes, their chemistry on screen. So it just came together really nicely. And then when you see Dustin in the EU world, superstar talaga dating niya, it just came together nicely, I think, from start to finish.
Siyempre, you were part of the selection process ng the role ni Kenzo, si Dustin. Right away, it's Dustin.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right away. I mean, we were looking for somebody na believable na movie star na.
I know, mga idol agad din, no? Di ba? Perfect eh.
Yeah. So it was like, it was good timing. And then, yeah, I never got a chance to work with Sam and JM before, so it was nice to see them. So audition pa lang, like they were perfect for the role. And as you mentioned, kanya spam followers kami. But I'm glad that she finally answered and considered the role. But yeah, everything just came together nicely.
Susugal na ba ako? Bahala na. Ano yun?
Nanay ba talaga? Woo!